In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-level lists in Microsoft Word. Multi-level lists are extremely useful when you want to organize information into different levels, such as outlines, structured documents, reports, or step-by-step instructions. Instead of using simple bullet points or numbered lists, multi-level lists allow you to create a clear hierarchy with main topics, subtopics, and even deeper levels of content. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want the list to begin. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, look for the Multi-Level List button. This icon usually shows numbers with indented levels beside them. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and you will see several built-in list styles. Choose one of the styles that shows multiple levels, such as a format with numbers like 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, or a style that combines numbers and letters like 1, A, I. Once you select a style, start typing your first item. Press Enter on your keyboard to create the next item in the list. If you want to create a sublevel, press the Tab key before typing the next line. This will indent the item and move it to the next level in the list. For example, the first level might show 1, while the second level will appear as 1.1. If you need to move the item back to the previous level, simply press Shift plus Tab. Another way to control levels is by using the Increase Indent and Decrease Indent buttons in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. These buttons allow you to easily move list items between levels without using the keyboard. Multi-level lists are especially useful when creating outlines. For instance, you might have a main heading as Level 1, supporting points as Level 2, and detailed explanations as Level 3. This structure helps readers follow the information more easily and keeps your document organized. You can also customize the appearance of your multi-level list. Click the Multi-Level List button again and choose Define New Multi-Level List. This option allows you to change the numbering style, adjust indentation, or link list levels to specific heading styles for more advanced formatting. Using multi-level lists in Microsoft Word is a simple but powerful way to structure complex information. Once you understand how to create and control list levels, you can quickly organize your content into a professional and easy-to-read format. And that's how you use multi-level lists in Microsoft Word for better document formatting and organization. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.